He died!
Dude, he died! Dude, he died.
So you guys, what's up, Ryan Skating out here with another video today. My camera's really cloudy, let me fix that. But anyways, I'm gonna play some clips that I just got, so yeah. Alrighty guys, it is actually 2 days after I filmed the last part of this video. Now I know I've been slacking on filming videos and everything. I'm currently at the skate park right now. We've actually been trying to build a DIY skate park. So if you've been keeping up with my Instagram, if you have not been keeping up with my Instagram is right there. But anyways, I've been posting clips from it every like here and there. I have gotten a line there too that I've posted just on my general Instagram. But yeah, we've been working on that a lot and haven't really been filming there. But today will be the first day that I actually film there. So yeah, but right now I'm obviously at just the regular skate park and I'm gonna skate it, so yeah. Well, this is just great. Just like 2 seconds into skating, start skating, and then basically my bearing breaks from I don't even know what. Alrighty guys, it's about 3:30 now, and I think I originally got here around like 12:30. So my truck actually was stripped, so I couldn't even change the wheels, so I had to completely put new trucks on and everything. And it's really hard without a skate tool, because James Daniel... Alright, so I left my skate tool at Falls, alright? James Daniel takes it home. He loses it in his room. He says he doesn't know where it is in his room and that isn't losing it. But I don't think I'm getting it back, so... But anyways, hopefully I can buy a new skate tool soon, because it's very convenient to have one. But anyways, I'm finally gonna actually be able to skate, so yeah.
So I can feel something, and now I'm thinking of all the time that was boring. I reminisce to remember all of the songs we sing, but now I hate every one of the songs we used to sing. Can you believe that I didn't think you would leave me? And now I can't trust anyone cause you just left me. I wish I never responded to all those texts. It'd be better if we had just never met. Can you believe that I'm missing you even though when I was with you I never felt more alone. I wish I never responded to all those texts. It'd be better if we had just never met.
I wish we never met. We broke up on picked up chat crying.
Alrighty guys, it is the next day. I didn't end up going to the DIY park yesterday just because it was already like 3:30 and everything, and there was no way I was gonna get there. But that was a pretty good session from yesterday. I worked on crooks a lot actually, which I needed to get better at because I'm trying nollie crooks and I need to get better at regular crooks if I wanted to be able to nollie crook. And I did that little pop shove grab on the kicker, but today I'm gonna try dog piss air. It seems pretty easy. I did it on the small little kicker over at Monroe, and I got it like first try, so I just want a little more air on it and everything, so yeah.
We had just never met. Can you believe that I'm missing you even though when I was with you I never felt more alone. I wish I never responded to all those texts. It'd be better if we had just never met.
I wish we never met. We broke up on picked up chat crying on my DS. I went to a birthday party for one of your friends, but now that this is over I can hate them, I don't have to pretend. Remember when I called you my Barbie and I was Ken? That was like the cringiest thing that I've ever said. When I was with you I just felt more alone. I just hope I'm bad enough to call about when you're on your phone. This lunch gum guy is so annoying. He keeps asking me to listen to these bands I can't even pronounce. Now he's making...
Alrighty guys, I am really hyped on the dog piss air and whatever trick I just landed was called. Yeah, because it kind of took a lot of trial and error because I landed it decently and I wasn't going fast enough. And there was all these other things, but I got it, so I'm hyped on it. Look what we found, guys. It's I don't even know. It's probably like a Walmart board or something. God, the trucks are so loose. It actually rolls pretty well, though. Oh my God, dude. Look how loose these trucks are. Guys, if this is your board, leave it in the comments and I'll give it back to you. But this seems like a pretty fun board, so I'm actually gonna take it. I don't want to be taking anybody's board, but if you know whose this board is and they want it back, I'll give them it back. But it's really cool and it was just sitting there and I don't think anybody's taking it back, so. Alrighty guys, well I came back and it's not there anymore. They took all the stuff. We did find this pole that was there a couple days ago and we couldn't find it. We found that, but we had this like perfect manu pad. We had this like little like ledge thing and we put it on a crate so that it gave it just more height, and it was a lot of fun. But I'll show you guys some clips that I did get there because I did get some clips, so yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm not giving up on the spot quite yet. I think we're just gonna have to keep building, just find other things. It's really a bummer though, because we did have kind of a lot of stuff, but it's all gone now, so we'll find more though. What's up, Cone? What you gotta say to YouTube?
Flamethrower Twitch.
Super Flamethrower 69. Holy shit. Alrighty guys, I just did 100 kickflips on a live stream. I landed 83 out of the 100. I do have the video saved. I was trying to keep it up on Instagram, but I think they took it away with the feature where you could have it with the story on the other side and you could watch the old live, even though it wasn't actually live anymore. If you know, you know. But it said either IGTV or save the video, and I just saved the video, so I might post something eventually of me just doing I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna get into the main point of the video. I'm gonna put a shirt on. This lighting is not the best at all. Alrighty guys, so the review is about this head mount. Yeah, so this is actually an $8 GoPro head mount, and it actually is the second time I'm getting it. But I mean, the other one broke, and it was over time, but I kind of used it a lot, and I think one time we tried to like tighten it or something, or loosen it so that it could fit on my helmet, and it was not a good idea, and it just ended up like destroying it. And this thing chipped right here. I don't know what that's from, but that's completely unrelated. And I got wax on the lens and everything. Ice cream truck. But anyways, for $8, I mean, these are usually like 40. If it lasts you like as long as it lasted me, it's pretty good. And don't try and like loosen it or tighten it too much because it's just gonna like break it. And then eventually like the straps on this will just break after like a year or two. It also depends how much you use it. If you only use it like once in a while, that's, you know, it's gonna last you a long time. But if you use it like I used it, it probably only will last you like probably more like a couple months, like a year maybe. Now, I don't use it as much anymore, as you guys can obviously tell. As much as I used it last year at least. And I don't know, it's doing pretty well, so yeah. I don't know guys, I just feel like this entire video, god damn, the lighting's so bad. Alrighty guys, I feel like this entire video I've just been talking terribly, so if there's a lot of edit outs for me talking, it's because I don't know how to talk at all, so yeah. But a lot of things missing in the DIY from the other day. We still have this pole, so I guess I'm gonna skate it.
When I called you my buddy and I was Ken, that was like the cringiest thing that I've ever said. When I was with you, I just felt more alone. I just hope I'm bad enough to call about when you're on your phone. This switch gun guy is so annoying.
So alrighty guys, that is going to be it for today's video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on the video if you enjoyed it. I feel like this is almost becoming a trend with Garrett Jenner's gaming channel, him starting to play the street parts in the background. But I'm just doing it for the outro, so... Okay, that's really loud. But anyways, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on the video if you enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these longer videos. I haven't been waking up too terribly early, so when I've been getting out, it's already like 12, so I gotta wake up earlier. And these 3-day vlogs, it's just sometimes I just feel like I don't have enough content for like a full video, and I'm paying attention to the back of my screen with the street part because it's amazing. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment down below. Peace out.
Hello, Ryan. This boy. Happy birthday.